In today's video, I'll talk about Clean Keto Meal Plan for beginners. I'll explain what Clean Keto is, some do's and don'ts when starting a keto diet, explain you how you should formulate healthy clean keto meals, and give you a 3-day Clean Keto Meal Plan example that will help you to get started. I'll share a simple keto meal plan that will help you to get healthy and lose excess weight with keto. By the way, if you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Greta, and I'm an online nutritionist and a holistic health coach. If you haven't yet, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for weekly videos about insulin resistance, detox, diabetes, all the other chronic health conditions, and improving your overall health. So if you want to be healthy, you should definitely subscribe. Now, what is clean keto? If someone tells you, I follow keto, I only eat processed meat, processed cheese, and drink diet sodas, then that's not keto diet that you want to follow. Something might sound like keto because it matches the definition of keto from the macronutrient perspective, but it doesn't mean it's healthy. When people say, I followed a keto diet, it gave me a heart attack or some other health problems, that's only because this person didn't eat high-quality, nutrient-dense foods and ate keto garbage instead. Clean keto has nothing to do with it. I created this image to show you what are the different types of keto, and hopefully this will motivate you to pick the right one. The main keto types are clean keto, lazy keto, and dirty keto. Now, what are they? That's clean keto. You stay under 50 grams of carbs, or net carbs a day if you're in the US. You eat only clean foods, meaning no processed foods, and you eat enough veggies, which is 5 to 10 servings of veggies a day. You eat high-quality animal products, and health is a top priority for you. Whereas someone following dirty keto would have very different goals. You stay under 50 grams of carbs or net carbs a day, but you eat low-carb junk food. You don't eat enough veggies, mostly protein and fat. And you eat poor quality animal protein, only GMO grain-fed meat, tons of additives in the meat, deep-fried meat, fast food. You don't care about health and only want to lose weight. I hope you get the picture. The first type, clean keto, is a lot better. That's a sustainable, long-term health solution that doesn't require you to count calories or track your macros. You simply eat natural whole keto foods, which helps you to lose excess weight and get a lot healthier. And if you choose dirty keto, there's a high chance that you might get cancer, heart disease, kidney failure, fatty liver, or dementia in the long run. And I'm not being dramatic. Now, as you know, why is it a better idea to follow clean keto? Let's look at the clean keto do's and don'ts. If you want to follow healthy keto, that helps you to get healthier, lose excess weight, and feel so much better, instead of giving you a heart attack, you should eat natural whole keto foods instead of processed keto junk food. Easy as that. What do I mean by that? When it comes to your fats, you should eat organic grass-fed butter, extra virgin olive oil, and extra virgin coconut oil instead of rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, margarine, low-fat spreads, and other ultra-processed inflammatory oil products. When it comes to animal products, you should eat grass-fed, wild, or organic animal products, such as meat, fish, eggs, and cheese. And the least processed, the better. Your meat should ideally have only one ingredient, which is meat. Maybe some salt and pepper or herbs, but certainly no dextrose, maltodextrin, E61, which is monosodium glutamate, or anything that doesn't sound like food. The more ingredients you see on the package, the more garbage they put in there. And then they say, meat causes cancer. No, it's the garbage that they put in the meat and the garbage that they feed to the animals. There are 0 studies linking organic grass-fed meat with cancer, heart disease, diabetes, or any other health problem. So if you don't eat meat for religious reasons or because you're against killing animals, it's fine. But meat itself is not a health threat. Even the red meat, like beef, that has such a bad reputation, it's actually loaded with nutrients. And no, beef is not bad for the planet. Conventional animal farming is. That's another reason to buy organic and grass-fed. But of course, you should eat a reasonable amount of meat, one serving once a day. Too much of meat can be unhealthy. And when it comes to the general picture of clean keto diet, what should be the basis of your diet? It should be mostly non-starchy vegetables, like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, greens, peppers, and so on. Not low-carb breads and pastas and muffins. Your diet should be as natural as possible. You can't go wrong with broccoli. So that's your clean keto diet basics. Now, what exactly should you eat on a clean keto diet? You might know what to do in theory, but when it comes to putting your knowledge into practice, you might struggle and even give up. Meal planning is not that easy. You might get the macros wrong. You might overcomplicate it. You might not get enough fat or calories to keep you full. You might struggle to make meals that taste good. So let's go through a 3-day clean keto meal plan together. I'm a low-carb keto nutritionist. I create meal plans all the time. I'll show you how to keep it simple. And also, you can download it from the description section or the comment section after watching this video. So, you start your day with light keto breakfast. Either black coffee, coffee with organic cream, or keto coffee with grass-fed butter and extra virgin coconut oil. And you can have a piece of dark chocolate with 85 or 90% cacao, ideally organic chocolate. If you don't drink coffee, you would have tea instead. Coffee and chocolate are loaded with antioxidants. And if you choose to have keto coffee, it is very filling and healthy. I've been having it every morning for the past few years. And to keep it simple, you would always have the same type of breakfast. Now, that's the first meal. 100 grams of organic meat with asparagus and tomatoes. Only 6 to 7 ingredients. Takes around 25 minutes to prepare. Nothing crazy. Is it nutritious? Absolutely. And is it tasty? Yes, it surely is. And then after each of your meals, you can have a simple and healthy dessert, a chia pudding. That's chia seeds with organic full-fat kefir, stevia, and raspberries. Then the next meal, wild salmon with broccoli, cooked in an oven. Then day 2, lunch, 100 grams of meat with greens and tomato. I made this meal in like 6 or 7 minutes. And for dinner, meat, mushroom, and cheese stuffed peppers. Again, nothing too complicated. You mix the ingredients, stuff peppers, and cook it in the oven. It takes around 25 minutes to prepare, but the actual active preparation is only 5 minutes. The rest of the time, you can do whatever you like. And the third day, for lunch, prawn, pecan, and rocket salad. It takes only 7 minutes to prepare. That's quicker than any pasta, rice, or potatoes. That's as fast as fast food, but a lot healthier. You only cook prawns for a few minutes and drop them on rocket. That's it. And that's dinner, veggies with beef, baked in the oven. You cut veggies, break beef mince into smaller chunks, and add some olive oil, and cook in the oven for 20 minutes. Very easy. So that's how I make following clean keto diet easy. Now, if you found this video useful, like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share it with someone who doesn't know what clean keto is. You can download my 3-day clean keto meal plan from the description section of this video. I'll also leave the link in the comments below. And if you feel like you would like to get a longer meal plan to give you more clean keto meal ideas, you can purchase my 14-day keto meal plan with keto education. That's a keto health and weight loss program with many different recipes. It has all you need for starting clean keto correctly and making it your new lifestyle. I have a regular version and a vegetarian version. You can find a link to join in the description of this video and also in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.